Hi, Finance Fanatics. I'm Julia.
And I'm Kevin. Today we're going to talk about something very important, money.
That's right, Kevin. Let's start with basics. What exactly is money?
Great question. Money is what we use to buy and sell things. We use it to get goods like toys, clothes, and food. Or you can use services like haircuts or music lessons.
And when we use money to get something we want or need, it's called transaction. Let's say that word together.
Transaction.
Good job. One more time.
Transaction. A transaction is when you give someone something to get for something else. For example, if you buy a bouncy ball, you give the money to the cashier and in return you get the bouncy ball.
Now let's talk about different forms of money. Did you know money isn't always the same?
That's right, Finance Fanatics. Money can be cash or digital.
Let's start with cash money, the kind you can see, touch, and hear.
Cash includes dollar bills like ones, fives, tens, 20s, or 50s and hundreds, and coins includes pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. You'll often see cash used at stores, restaurants, or vending machines.
But not all money can be touched. Digital money lives in computers and phones, and it's used electronically.
Examples of digital money include debit cards, credit cards, and tap and pay apps like Apple Pay or Google Pay.
Digital money is used when people shop online or pay with their phones at stores. A long time ago, people mostly used cash, but now, with new technology, many people use digital money because it's often faster, easier, and safer.
Let's break that down. Faster because digital payments happen almost instantly. Easier because you don't need to carry cash. If you have funds on your card or phone, you're ready to go. Safer because you're less likely to lose money or have it stolen since there's no cash to carry.
But still, we need to be careful whether we're using digital money or cash, especially online. We'll talk about that in an upcoming lesson.
Here's a helpful tip for real life. When you go to a special event, it's smart to bring both cash and digital money. Some places like sports arenas only take digital payments. Others like local fairs might only accept cash. Many places take both, so it's good to be prepared. Let's recap.
Today we learned that money is a tool used to make transactions and get what we need or want. Money comes in two main forms: cash, dollar bills and coins, digital money, cards and apps. Both types help us shop because they both work differently.
And no matter which one we use, being smart and careful with our money is always important.
That's it for today's lesson, Finance Fanatics. We'll see you next time for more fun with money.
Make sure to check us out on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.
And remember to stay smart.